Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the text size in the WeChat app. Whether you prefer larger text for easier reading or smaller text for a more compact look, adjusting it only takes a few steps. Start by opening the WeChat app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. On the home screen, in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile where it says Me, and then click on it. When a new page opens, in the menu itself, look for the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a drop-down menu will open where you will look for the General option and then click on it. And then on the next page, in the same drop-down menu, you will go down to the Text Size option and click on it. From here comes the interesting part. As you can see for yourself, at the bottom of the screen you can see lines that show you from smaller to larger text size. By moving from left to right, you will see how the text itself increases. It is up to you to decide how much you want to set the text size, and then click on the Done option in the upper right corner of the screen. Then a small window will appear, informing you that the WeChat application will restart in order to apply the text size you have chosen. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the text size in the WeChat application. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.